Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Highline in the long wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. Power is delivered through a smooth 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the pearlescent paint colour D Black, and across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle gets some added good looks from this lower front splitter finished in a high gloss black colour. And helping you keep it fresh is a set of front parking sensors. The vehicle sits on a set of 20-inch alloy wheels finished in a bronze colour and a multi-spoke design. This long wheelbase Kombi features a set of black roof rails as well as a rear roof spoiler. In the tailgate we'll find a heated rear window, and located just above the rear number plates we'll find a rear view reversing camera paired with a set of rear parking sensors. Helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. In the back of the Kombi we'll find some ply lined sides as well as a bulkhead in the middle behind the rear passenger seats. Access into the rear passenger area can be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin slider option. Steps on either side make it easy to enter and exit the vehicle. Like the rear seats, the two front seats come finished in a mesh leatherette in a palladium grey colour. There's two single seats up front with two armrests each, providing maximum comfort on those longer drives. In the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. The system allows you to access all your favourite radio stations as well as utilise the App Connect feature such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Some other options in the van include two front heated seats, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Highline. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.